My name is Rasmus Astrup. I work at NIBIO in Norway. We are an independent research organization focused on sustainable forest management. The main expected impact of the project is, of course, an increased multifunctional forest management in Europe. We wish to use the resource better. We wish to use the resource better by better decisions through technology. And we want to do that by making connected single tree based forest value chains that maintain biodiversity, increase resilience of the forest, and create jobs and real employment throughout Europe. So the living labs are where we're actually going to do the work. Ecosystem for collaboration and innovation, basically where the actors come together to implement their technologies. Often they have not gone across the value chain. So one of the key aspects in Singletree is that we connect the different steps in the value chain, all the way from forest inventory, product, via management and operations, to actually connect the whole value chain to digital technologies. And really that's only when you can get the effect of digital technologies on efficiency and environmental performance. So you have to see these things in connectivity. And that's what we do in the living labs.